Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the radio, turn the ignition to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Then enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets the Jetta detect your device. Next, press Phone or Menu on the Volkswagen radio to open the Bluetooth menu. You do this first because the head unit must be actively searching. Without that, the phone cannot find the car. Once done, choose the option to add or pair a new device so the system begins scanning. You'll see a list on the radio. Select your phone's name as it appears. The system usually shows a PIN. Compare it with the PIN on your phone and then confirm on both devices. You might have to type the PIN on the phone if the screen requests it. Do that accurately. Once paired, the radio will ask to allow contact and message access. Grant permissions so calls and caller ID work properly. Make sure to keep the phone within a few feet during this step to prevent dropouts. You finish by verifying the phone shows connected and that the audio and phone profiles are active on the radio. Test a call and play media to confirm audio routing. If you want automatic reconnect, set the phone as the priority device in the Bluetooth menu. If pairing fails or drops, try restarting both the phone and car radio, delete old pairings on both sides, and retry. This clears cached conflicts and often fixes the issue when simple reconnecting doesn't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.